Welcome. Welcome and namaste. Today I have on board for you a class from a chair. This is a special request from Fiona. So hi Fiona, I hope you enjoy this. This is a class you can do from a chair, either maybe because you're feeling a bit tired, but you could also do this at work, at your desk, a quick stretch during the day. All right, so bring your hands to your thighs, lovely YouTubers. Please remember to give this video a like, and if you could subscribe to my channel, I'd be so grateful. All right, so bring your hands to your knees, take your shoulders back, take a deep breath in, and a gorgeous long breath out. So as you do that, press down into your legs, down, allow your feet to ground. And if you find your feet are slightly floating off the floor, you could put something under your feet, like a block or a book, so you can feel that grounding down in your feet. Take your shoulders up and back. Lovely. And then lift your face. Bring your hands to your heart center, and obviously if you're doing this at work, you don't have to om, but internally om. Take a deep breath in. Om. Take another full breath, and then just for a moment, interlink your fingers, stretch the backs of your hands towards me and turn your palms up. And then continue on up with the arms, reach and stretch up. Draw your ribs back in and down, and then look up to the back of your knuckles. Keep yourself seated and keep your feet down, so don't try and lift up at all. And then just tick-tock side to side a couple of times. All right, just stretch that out. And then once again, bring the hands down, level with your throat, and round down over your shoulders. And then inhale, look up, unleash your hands, take your arms wide, turn your thumbs up, and then reach them all the way back and around behind you. So, and take hold of the arms of your chair. You know, you're probably going to have to sneak forward to the edge of your seat and then take your heart forward. My arms here are straight. Lift your throat, take your ears back. You may even get a little pop in your spine as you do this. Okay, and then sit back up, bring the arms back and around to the front, interlink the fingers, flip the palms. And once again, inhale, come on up. Exhale, bring it down. Round through the upper back. Sit up, draw the upper back in, flip the thumbs up, give me a thumb up, liking yoga. And then reach the arms all the way around again, cap the inside of the arms of your chair. And take the heart forward into a little back bend. Take the throat back, your arms should be straight, so the shoulders are drawing back nicely. Give yourself a little smile. And then drop your chin and lift your chin. Drop and lift. We can get very tight in the back of the neck, working over a desk all day. Just nod yes. Yes, I love yoga, Sarah. Okay. Lovely. And then one more time, sit up, unleash the hands, bring them all the way back around the front, interlink them, show me the palms. Up we come, get tall, and then exhale one last time, bring them all the way around to the tops of your thighs. You might want to shimmy to the back of your seat again. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Okay, so now take your knees to the side of your chair. Again, something can be under your feet. And then take your right knee off. So we've got 90 degrees here. Okay, reach the arms up. And then you're not trying to touch the floor. Imagine you're trying to reach somebody else across the side of the office or something. Lift your heels up and reach, reach, reach. Keep your bum rooted back. And then finally bring the hands down. They may hang in midair like this, or you might be able to get the floor. Either way, keep your spine long. And then exhale, soften your chin down. Then bring the heels down. Do that again, so lift the heels up, lift your chin up, reach your arms forward, and up we come. We're going to do that one more time, okay? So reach forward, reach forward, reach forward, heels up. Sweep the finger down to or towards the floor, heels come down. Inhale, come up, reach, 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 and exhale, hands back down. Take a little pause in between poses. Okay, now this back leg, this leg's facing forward now, you're going to slide that back behind you. So you're still seated in your seat. Try and turn your tummy to the edge of the seat. Root into the back leg, so try not to lean in here. Try and lean your weight right into the middle of your chair. You could be on a stool as well, of course, and reach the arms up. Okay, and then bring your elbow to that front knee. Reach up and over with this top arm, taking care to wrap the tricep towards the face and reach up. And then really push into this back leg. Reach up, stretch up into the side body. Then take this arm, reach it back up, all the way up. Take it to your back thigh like you're smacking your own bum. And then once again, reach it up and over. Over it goes, down, turn the thumb, give yourself a pat, up and over. And then this time, reach it up and over. This time, bend the elbow and bring it more to your waistline. So root down, remember to keep breathing here. I don't want you to get crampy here. Push down there and then reach up. This top arm comes up and over and lean back. Go back. And then back you come. Hands to your knees. You can bring your hands to the seat and then swivel to the chair. See if you can walk your feet a little bit wider. Hands to your knees. Inhale. Trying to iron out the thighs there a little bit. Okay. So that was Virabhadrasana 2 on a chair. Let's do the other side, okay? So start with your legs parallel and then turn to the side. Pause. So it's my right leg, whichever one you're doing, the one towards the back of the chair. And then slide this left leg back. Again, so try not to turn your torso towards the front leg. See if you can keep it more angled towards the side of the seat here. You okay? 50-50 share. Push into this back leg. You might feel this in your hip and groin. It should be quite nice as it is. You could stay here actually if you wanted to. Otherwise, add on the arms. Reach up. Warrior 2 on a chair. Okay, and then bring your elbow to rest on top of the thigh there. See how my palm is turned up. And then this top arm, reach it up, turn the palm, wrap the tricep. It's very different to this. That'll feel cranky. Wrap the tricep. Over you go. And then we're going to do that bum patting thing again, right? You ready to get that rotation? Reach up, spin the palm down, give yourself a pat. Well done for coming to yoga. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bring it down. Well done. Last time, reach it up and over. Lovely, and then bring this arm up and over, bend it at the elbow like I'm a little teapot arm. Okay, and then reach up. With the front arm, reach it up and take a little side bend there. Okay, bring it down. And then bend your back leg in. Bring your heels of your hands to the chair and realign. Lean right back into the chair, iron out the hips. And each time you do this, you might be able to walk your feet a little bit wider. Okay, and then lean forward a little bit, press some weight into the tops of your knees there. Create some resistance to lift your heels up and down. If you've been sitting at a desk all day, your feet may have well gone to sleep. So up and down, stimulating the calves and the back line of the body. Lovely. And then ground your heels. Press again, sit up. Bring the feet back around. Okay, and then stand up. Last one is standing up. Stand up into your feet. Step to the side and just take the seat of your chair. I'm going to shimmy it to make sure I stay in camera angle. And step your way back Stick your bottom up and soften your heart. And you could do this on the back of the chair or in the side of your desk as well. And then turn your head right, hello, and left. Slacken your jaw, open and close your jaw a couple of times. Deep breath into the side body. Long breath out. And then press into your arms. Come up, walk up a little bit closer to the chair. Okay, and just bend up and down out of your legs again, waking up the backs of your legs a little bit. It doesn't have to be crazy, just a few little motions. Okay, press into your legs, put the weight right back into your heels, hands to your hips, and come on up. Well done. Last one. Standing here, just give your hips a couple of circles in one direction. We woke up the shoulders, so we need to wake up the hips as well. And then go in another direction. Okay, and then remembering to close off the practice as well. Come to a center, release your hands. Open up your heart and chest and say, well done me. Take a deep breath in. A grounding breath out. Remembering any form of movement, no matter how small or how short a time it is good. Bring your hands to your heart center. Thank you for joining me. Please do let me know if there's anything else, if you'd like something more than this to take it on a little bit, or if you'd want less, something more static at your desk. Let me know. I hope you enjoyed that, Fiona. And everybody watching, namaste.